Hi, everyone. This is Jeffrey Giesener, founder of the JCHR 10-7, Jewish Culture, Holocaust Remembrance 10-7, and the One Revolution. Join me and my co-host, Rabbi Dr. Cheryl Kamen and Yifat Cohen-Meyer for the One Revolution brainstorming begins on Zoom, April 3rd, 12 p.m. Eastern Time, 9 a.m. Pacific Time, 7 p.m. Israeli time. Please check your local time. It is time for One Revolution. For our upcoming Zoom meeting on Wednesday, April 3rd, we are looking to accomplish the following. We're having a brainstorming session that begins the beginnings of a project conception, the development of bold, extremely hairy, audacious goals, and nothing is off the table. Ideas and concepts that can be developed into various digital and physical platforms, each with a focus on pushing back against hate, genocide, and anti-Semitism. We also want to remember the Holocaust, 10-7, and never again. We're initially developing the initial teams where applicable. We're expanding our team. We're developing and expanding with third-party partnerships. And we'd like to mention and bring your attention that One Revolution articles are curated from around the world and are posted in the One Revolution channel at jcrnow.circle.so, our companion website, under the One Revolution News. There are also Revolution meeting videos, which are soon to be on Vimeo. More details about that soon. We also have It's Time for the One Revolution Facebook community. Please look for it on Facebook. Again, the One Revolution Facebook community, and join. We'll be happy to admit you. We are delighted to have your involvement, your passion, and muscle behind this important and developing project. Please help our efforts to recruit interesting individuals like yourselves who are willing to commit themselves through 2024 through 2025 to build a unique One Revolution community that will push back against scaling worldwide hate, genocide, and anti-Semitism. Together, we have a very large bullhorn. See you on Wednesday, April 3rd on Zoom at 12 p.m. Eastern Time, 9 a.m. Pacific Time. And below in the description area is the Zoom link for our meeting. We're happy to have you with us. See you soon. If you'd like to email me for more information, that's Jeffrey Giesener at jeffgthebaker@gmail.com, or you can direct message me on Facebook to receive your notifications and upcoming events and programming. Best regards, Jeffrey, Dr. Cheryl, and Yifat.